Now I will demonstrate how to drink air using a simple straw like this. When you puncture it, this does not remain a simple straw anymore. This now becomes a magical straw, and you can very well call this technique as Malche's simplest punctured straw technique for drinking air. Using this punctured straw, when you drink water, you could probably observe that there was a gush of air bubbles from this puncture, which I have now drunk, and all that air has reached my stomach. If I keep sitting upright, I will soon belch that air out, and that is the reason why in order to maneuver it into the intestine, I have to acquire a different posture like this. Kneel, put your head down, stay like this, maybe for a couple of minutes, and then the air enters into the duodenum.